Hey everybody, today I'm gonna tell you how to pronounce this Punjabi word dada. Alright, so what's the tongue position going to be? So I just draw a picture. I'm not the best artist, but anyway, it will get the deal done. So when we pronounce the word D, right? So our tongue hits here, right here, underneath of the teeth, right? Let's try to say D. When you will say D, it's just like underneath of your teeth, like where your teeth roots are. D, all right? It's hits like that. The upper part, this thing, at the upper part of our tongue, this thing touches here, right? When you say D, just try to say the D, all right? But most of y'all guys who are English native speakers, they pronounce this Punjabi word dada like a D, right? It's not like that. Or you guys pronounce like a R, right? And the R word is more awkward. So how would you pronounce this word? Well, it's hard for y'all because you guys don't twist your tongue like that because you don't know how to twist your tongue. So what are you gonna do? So you're gonna do your tongue twister, like it's going to be like this position. All right, one second. Let me draw it. All right, so I draw. So you can see the dark. This is your tongue. So this is going to be position of your tongue. You need to twist it as inside as possible, right? When you twist it like that, so when you twist it like that, so what's going to hit? So now you're under the lower part of your tongue, this part. If you see here, it is this part is going to touch, not this one. When you say the D, this one touch here. When you're going to pronounce the dada word, the Punjabi, this word dada, so this thing is going to touch. How it's going to touch? When you turn your tongue like that, so it's going to be on the top, right here. So now you are going to hit right here, hit, and it's going to stop right here, the underneath your lower teeth, right? So it's going to like here and hit right here, then it's going to stop right here. Just try to say da da, like sadaka sada da, right? When you try to do that, when you twist your tongue like that, inside as much possible, and then you're gonna boom hit right here and going to stop here. You're not gonna stop here. If you stop here, you won't pronounce it correctly. All right, so just try to say that the 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 all right. If you do that, then you would pronounce this word correctly. Probably you won't pronounce it like correctly the first time or few tries. You need to keep practicing. I think you would notice the sudden change in your pronunciation. It's a lot better when you pronounce this word like D. This is a lot better if you try this, and if you keep practicing this, I think you would got it correctly. All right, so that's it.